I like farms and farm animals. What are some farm animals? Well, here's a story about lots of farm animals. Let's watch. Farmer Brown has lots of cows. Here's a black and white cow. What's it doing? It's eating a carrot. And here's a baby cow with Farmer Brown. Look at the horses. They're running, and they're very fast. There are lots of chickens on Farmer Brown's farm. These chickens are walking, and these chickens are eating. Do you know what this is? It's a duck. Oh, look! There are lots of ducks. They're swimming. Here's a goat. Wow! Farmer Brown has lots of animals on her farm. She has cows, horses, chickens, goats, and ducks.